Hello, Mr. Scruggs here, checking in with you. Let's do some smart music today. So this is going to be number one in a series of tutorials that I create for my students in an effort to help them solve some problems on smart music and complete some assignments there. So today we're going to be using Google Chrome, and that's looks like you all know what Google Chrome looks like. So we're going to use Google Chrome to open up a web browser as our web browser. We're going to use that browser, and we're going to open up, and we're going to go into the search bar, and we're going to type in www.smartmusic.com. Okay? And it's going to take us to this web page, and you're going to want to go over here to log in and click on log in. And that's going to take you to this page, which has two options, the new Smart Music and classic Smart Music. You need to click on new Smart Music, and it will take you to this web page here. Now, what you're going to do when you get here is you're going to go ahead and go down here to create an account. If you've not done this already, or if you've lost your password and you've used your school email address, you won't be able to access the password anymore. So this is for creating a new account, and you would do this if you have not yet created a Smart Music account, or if you have lost your password and can no longer access your Smart Music account. You'll need to arrange to get a new email address and go ahead and log in. So we're going to do that today. This is what we're doing. We're setting up an account. United States of America. Yes, the time zone is correct. That is the time zone. Yes, please always click this. Let's just assume that you're over 13. They do this for various reasons. Please make sure that your parents know you're doing this. Don't just do this. But if you click no here, it'll be really hard to sign up for Smart Music. So you need to click yes. You'll need to type in your name. I'm going to type in Mr. Scruggs. And my email address that I'm going to use here. Okay, and so that's an email address that I can use for this. I set it up only just for this Smart Music account. A backup email address is really great in case you forget your password or can no longer access something. This will help. This will save you some time. Okay, and my username is going to be Scrugdiddly Trombone Player. Scrugdiddly Trombone Player. That's me. That's my username. You can use any username you want. It'd be great if you use a username that I recognize you by. Hopefully people will recognize me by Scrugdiddly Trombone Player. So, and then you need to create a password that you will remember. And then write that password down. So we're going to go ahead and create a password right now. I'm going to create a password. I'm going to say that password, and you can't see what it is, but I know what it is. And then I'm going to go ahead and write that password down and keep it next to my computer. For my Smart Music account. Okay? And so that'll have that there. Save that password. You don't want to lose that. That is life-changing if you lose that. I'm using Smart Music today as a student. My primary instrument is going to be the trombone, if I can find it. And you'll have to do a little... This is where you have to become a little bit of a detective so you can find your instrument. Make sure it's the correct instrument. No, everyone in our band plays the B-flat trumpet. There's my instrument. And my secondary instrument, let's choose something fun. I want to be a little crazy and choose something fun today. What do we have that I can play that would be fun? Oh, they don't have the bagpipes. Ooh, I want to play the toot. That's going to be my secondary instrument. I had no idea what this is. I don't know what the toot is, but that's going to be my secondary instrument. Yes, I have read the conditions. No, I don't want any special offers right now. Thanks. I probably will get too much junk mail already. So, your account has been created successfully, and my activation email has been sent. If you are using this as a student at Sleeping Giant Middle School or at Eastside Elementary in Livingston, Montana, do not try to log into your email account that ends in at sgms6-8.org because that email apparently cannot accept any emails from SmartMusic. So once you've done this step, you just have to sit and wait for me, your teacher, to verify your account. And as soon as that happens, usually that doesn't take, usually I notice within the first half hour or so there's a new student in there, and I go ahead and verify your account. But if you check back in like an hour or two and it still hasn't been verified, send me an email. Send me an email and let me know that you've been in there and you've done that and you're waiting for me to verify your account, and I will take care of that right away. But since I'm using a different email, since I'm using an email address that is not school, I'm going to go ahead and go in here into my email account, and I'm going to find that activation email. And so if you decide to use an email address that's not a school email address, not an at sgms6-8.org, you'll be able to use the activation, get into your email and find that activation account. Activation code, verification, whatever it is. Okay? So I am logging into my new student account. If I can remember my password. Too many passwords, guys. Dang, not here yet. Inbox. Okay, so it's not here yet. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and go back to SmartMusic. I'm going to type in I'm going to see what happens here. So it won't let me do it right now. Return to login. So I'm just waiting for Mr. Scruggs to get me in there. I'm watching for an email. Maybe it's in. Always check your junk folder. Oh, there it is. Hotmail thought it was spam, but it's not. So here's my activation email. Confirm my account. I don't need my email anymore. I don't need that page anymore. Here we go. Okay, so I'm in. So I need to type in this email address and this password. And here we go. So now I need a class code. And this is where it's going to become important for me to know some class codes. So once you're here, it says you don't have any content yet. Click on the plus sign to get started. Where's the plus sign? Does anyone see it? Oh, there it is. Okay, so join a class. These are some class codes. This one is 6th grade band 2 here at Sleeping Giant Middle School. I've saved these in my computer so that I can hopefully help you. Let's try a different one. This one is, let me see, jazz band. If you need to pause that to copy down the code, please do so. This one I believe is 8th grade band. Okay. This one I think is 5th grade band at Eastside. Go Huskies. This one I think is our 7th No, this is our 7th grade band here at Sleeping Giant Middle School. And this one is 6th grade band 1. So here are some class codes. Hopefully, if you need any of those, just pause the video and copy that code down so you can write it in. I'm going to go ahead and join 8th grade band. And now I'm in. It says I don't have any content yet, so I'm going to click the plus sign to get started. I'm not sure why. I should be in a class by now. There we go. Okay, so maybe I just need to refresh. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to go to Content Manager and see what happens. I hope that it's easier. I hope this goes well for you. There we go. So no graded assignments, no assignments due. I'm a new student in here. So the next time I see you, we will be doing an assignment. Right now it says I have no assignments, but I'm going to go into my teacher account and put some assignments out to my student account, and we'll go in and do an assignment. So until then, happy smart musicking. See you soon.